Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. So today we are opening up my Stitch Fix. So if you do not know what Stitch Fix is, this is a personal styling service. So it is sort of like a subscription, but it's not necessarily every month. So you get 5 personalized items sent to you at your desired frequency. So I do it about once a month, but you could do it every few months if you want, or even every 2 weeks, like whatever you prefer. So the cost is $20, and that's considered a styling fee. And that $20 will be applied to any items you purchase. So what happens is you get 5 items sent to you, and they're all based on a survey you fill out when you sign up. And then you try it all on, and then you choose what you keep. And if you don't want to keep everything, then you can send whatever you don't want back in a pre-labeled bag. So shipping is free both ways. If you keep all 5 of your items, you save 25%, so that's a huge perk if you really like everything. And when you check out, you get to like rate your items and tell your stylist more about your thoughts. So each fix seems to be even more personalized for you. And if you're really not liking your items, you even have the option to choose a new stylist if you desire. So yeah. If you guys are interested in trying Stitch Fix, I do have a referral link that will give you $25 off your first fix. So that is awesome. So definitely use that if you want to save some money and try out this styling service. I've been getting it for so long. I think this might be my 22nd fix or something like that. It'll say when we open the box. So my box looks like this month. Every month it seems to be a different size. It all depends on what they send. I have no idea. Sometimes I peek online before I open it just to like see what I have to try on, so like what clothes to wear, but I didn't peek this time, so I just put on like some simple shorts and a tank top. So I'll unbox all of this and then I'll try it on. So I will love your opinion. Be nice, but let me know what you think I should keep or return. But yeah, let's get unboxing and see what my stylist picked for me this month. So when I open the box, this is what I see. All of the clothing items are put together. It looks like I got a jewelry piece in here. I don't want jewelry in my boxes. I thought I changed it in my profile, but maybe I forgot to go ahead and do it because I get so much jewelry in other subscription boxes. I just don't need anymore, so that's kind of a bummer. So I have a jewelry piece here, and then I have the items wrapped up nicely. Here is like a little packet of information and a note from my stylist, and here is the return bag. So let's see what it says in here. There'll also be an invoice in here that says all of the pricing and all of that. It also gives like some styling tips and stuff like that. So it says, "Hello Kitty, happy fix day. Hope you're loving that Stitch Fix exclusive Kaylee dress that you kept from the last fix. I do really like it. I've worn it a lot, if you guys have noticed. It was that like floral dress I got last time. That was super cute. It's comfortable and lightweight, so I hope you love it for the Florida heat this summer. Since you aren't looking for anything particular to receive today, I continue to choose pieces for you that you would fulfill your summer dress request." Awesome. So it looks like I got some dresses in here. I'm not going to look too much. So this is what, there's like a little note in the corner, and then it shows the pieces with some styling tips. And then I always think it's so pretty like to see all the pieces together like this, like all the colors and stuff. So they wrap them really nice. How about we start with the jewelry piece? So here's the invoice. Let me open this. All right, so I have some Kate Spade Sailor Knot studs in gold. And I do like Kate Spade stuff. I just know I'm not going to keep this. $48 is out of my price range too right now for jewelry. I just get so much, like I said. But these are adorable. So I'll have to make sure to let my stylist know. I think I meant to put that last time and I forgot, because you can update your profile, your style profile, and let them know what things you want or don't want. Like, I don't think I want any shoes either, or maybe I do, but I'm getting ahead of myself. I'll just say that I don't want jewelry when I go and check out later today. So generally you get about like 3 days to check out when you get all your stuff, but you can extend your checkout date, and I always do that. I don't know why, I just like put off this video. I think I'm just like embarrassed to try and close sometimes. So I'm trying to get more comfortable in my body. I'm working out more, so maybe you guys will be able to see some improvement throughout the months in my videos. And the next item looks really bright and floral. Oh, this is kind of like a fancy dress. I don't really know if I need something like this right now, but I'll of course try it on. So this is a dress. You can see here, When I try it on, I'll move the camera back so you can get a better picture of it, but let's see, who's this by? This is by Wisp, and this is the Mady Eyelet knit dress, and it is $88. Yeah, that's a little expensive too for me. Next up, this is a white shirt, which is cute. Maybe I'll keep this one if it fits and all that. So this is the front of it. I don't know if you can really see on camera, or is this the back? I can't really tell. So one side there's like this bow in front. I think that's the back, and then the front, it looks like this. I will try it on. This is really cute. Hopefully it's not too expensive. This is by 41 Hawthorne. I have a few things by them. Oh man, I turned the air off for this video. I'm already getting hot. So this is the 41 Hawthorne Clearwater Mixed Material Blouse. It is $58. And then we have another floral dress here, it looks like. I think the rest are dresses. You have 2 more items. You know, I love like navy stuff. So the top is navy and the bottom of the dress is floral, so it's like a maxi dress. So the French Gray Delilah maxi dress, this is $58. And then the last thing, this is a beautiful blue color. So this is by Wisp. And this looks like it's probably like a little, like around knee length. It feels really nice. So this is the Wisp Tressa Punt dress, and it is $74. So the total of everything is $326. If I buy all of them, I would save 25%, which is $81.50, and it would be $244.50. So if you like everything, that definitely is a big savings. It's like one of the items. But I definitely won't be keeping everything. I'm just on a budget right now and I don't need earrings, so I know I won't. So I am going to go ahead and move some stuff around and then try on these pieces for you. Alright, so first up I have the blouse. I just have some shorts on, so I thought I should try this first. I really like this. So it looks like there's like a tank top underneath, you know. It's super comfortable and I like the neckline, and it's like flowy, so it doesn't like, you can't really tell I have a gut, you know, as much as normal. So yeah, I do like this. So I had a feeling it would. The fit is perfect. It is a little bit expensive for like a blouse for me, but if I wear it a lot, and I think this would be cute in videos too, because you can actually like see the cut and stuff like that. So yeah, you guys have to let me know what you think. I'm gonna go try a dress on now. All right, so here is the second dress. I mean, second outfit or second piece. So it fits nice and everything. I just don't know if I have a purpose for this or like love it. So it hits like a little bit above my knee. Yeah, I don't know. And I totally got some like makeup on that white shirt, I feel, but I really do like it, so I think I'll keep it, but I would feel really bad sending that back. What do you guys, do you have thoughts on that? Has that ever happened to you when you try clothes on? But okay, I am going to put on the next piece. So I like this dress, but I don't know what bra I would wear, like clearly not this one. It's really comfortable. I feel like I couldn't go braless because it's not like tight enough on the top. But I like the bottom. It hits like right where it should. It might be like a tad bit long, but with shoes on, I think it would be pretty. Here it is when I stand up. So yeah, I just don't know about this fit on the top. I don't know how I would pull this off, because I don't, maybe like, you know, strapless bras don't really work for large chests, but I guess I could try it out. But yeah, let me know if you have any thoughts. All right, so here's the last piece. I love the color, but I don't love the style. You guys can see, it just, I don't know, it's just not my style, I don't think. It hits like right at the knees. It's just, I don't know where I would wear this. I love the color though. I would love to have something else in this color, but yeah, so that is everything for this video. I probably look so scary, like up close leaning. But you guys have to let me know your thoughts on the items. And again, what should I do about like having makeup? Like when I pulled that white top over my head. It looks like some bronzer or something got on it. Maybe foundation, like a little bit, but I do like it. But like, does that mean I have to keep it? Let me know your thoughts. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know your opinions down below, and definitely use that $25 off link if you are interested. Have a great day. Bye.